Good day everyone! So in this video, we're going to present our case study entitled Proposing Plant Slope Protection Structure Along Landslide-Prone Road in Sitio Mabuhay, Barangay San Luis, Balitbog, Bukidnon, Philippines in partial fulfillment as a requirement in the course CE 325 Highway and Railroad Engineering of Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. I am FMAG Ranido and together with my members, Lee Francis M. Calipes and Jerry John Roa, we are the presenters.
Plants are known to be beneficial to our lives. We get some of our food and resources from plants. On the other hand, landslides is one of the natural phenomena that we are facing as of today. Since it's a natural phenomena, we may not know where it will happen and when it will happen. With that, the researchers thought of combining the essence or idea of plants to the concept of preventing landslides. So, the researchers then proposed a plant slope structure in Barangay San Luis, Malitbog, Bukidnon. So they have chosen that particular barangay since there has been an enormous landslide recently there and that it has affected many lives. So in order to prevent it from happening again, they have proposed the plant slope structure. This plant slope structure is like hitting two birds with one stone. It is environmental friendly, and lastly, it can help prevent or control damages. As I've said earlier, the area of the study is located in Barangay San Luis, Malitbog, Bukidnon. The researchers have chosen this particular place since first, it is a landslide-prone area, considering that it is located in Bukidnon. Second, an enormous landslide have affected many lives there during October 17, 2022. 128 families were affected and even 5 persons went missing. And lastly, it still does not have a slope protection structure considering that it is a landslide prone area.
For the statement of the problem, land erosion and landslide occurred in City Mabuhay, San Luis, Bukidnon. It is highly required for the safety of nearby residents, drivers, and passengers in the Philippines. Therefore, the place lacks soil protection that causes soil to erode, increases the risk of damage that could damage the risk of life of people. Plant slope protection structure will help it to stabilize. For the objective of the study, the researcher aims to design and conceptualize an appropriate plant slope protection along landslide prone in Sitio Mabuhay, San Luis Bukidnon to provide a much safer roadway for residents and vehicle drivers, reduce and prevent the constant occurrence of landslide and soil erosion in the area, and lastly, beautify the environment and restore the natural, original vegetation.
This proposed plant slope protection at the landslide-prone road in Sitio Mabuhay, Barangay San Luis, Malitbog, Bukidnon, Philippines would benefit the following individuals and the groups. Residents in the area and the vehicle drivers and passengers, as this structure will prevent any foreseeable risk of a slope collapse and landslides from happening, wherein it would be safer area for the individuals residing within the location, reducing the risk of damage and injury or loss of lives among the residents as well as to the vehicle drivers and passengers. To the environment, this will provide a suitable growth environment for natural grass and trees, and finally achieve the restoration of ecology and coordinate with the natural environment. For the soil stability, as significant as it will be able to stabilize the soil by planting or layering plants all over the steep slope. And for the future researchers, this study can be used as groundwork in conducting related studies. The main focus of this study is to propose an implementation of plant slope protection at the aforementioned location, wherein it is to plant grass and trees all over the slope of the area to achieve the stability of the soil and prevent landslide and soil erosion to occur. The purpose of the study is only limited to using only one method of plant slope protection and to properly design or conceptualize an appropriate slope protection for the said area. For the study's conceptual framework, wherein the figure shows in regards to the study's input process and output, the input would be the proposed plant slope protection, and in the process, it is where the designing of the said structure and the output would be the effective plant slope protection design. To have a better understanding of the study, the following term is operationally defined. Plant slope protection, a slope protection that incorporates plants and grasses that helps stabilizes the slope.
This proposed plant slope structure is beneficial to all landslide-prone areas, especially in Barangay San Luis, Malitbog, Bukidnon. So it would not just be beneficial to the people, but also to our environment. So it is like hitting two birds with one stone. We are helping the environment, and at the same time, we are preventing the damages caused by landslides. So everybody happy.
And that would be all. Thank you so much for listening.